Not long ago, we tested the C12 Pro Plus. Although it can handle everyday cleaning tasks, like other similar products, it still needs some help when dealing with unexpected situations. For example, when dealing with sudden incidents like a knocked over water cup. While modern robots can handle such issues well, but I believe there are still many people would not wait for the robot to solve the problem. Instead, they would immediately grab a cleaning tool to deal with it. Clearly, YEEDI recognized the need, then they introduced the COMBOT, sort of a groundbreaking addition to the C12 series. This device combines a powerful multifunctional vacuum, an intelligent sweeping robot, and a high-efficiency deep cleaning mop. The dual charging and dust collecting base really helps with the whole house cleaning, making the work almost effortless. The C12 Combo's base station remains very compact, just like other C12 models. However, it has added a dock for the handheld vacuum cleaner on the left side. These two guys are not simply made together, they are connected by internal pipes. Through these internal pipes, the waste collected by both the robot and the stick vacuum can be deposited into the transparent dustbin on the right. Unlike conventional robot and vacuum cleaners, the C12 Combo does not feature a dust bag design. Instead, it uses a large capacity trash can, which not only reduces the cost of using the machine, but also allows for up to 7 weeks of the unsupervised operation. This solves the hassle of frequent dust removal and emptying the trash can. The transparent dustbin also allows for monitoring the usage status. Moreover, the internal pipes enable full-path self-cleaning, ensuring consistently powerful suction with the auto-clean HEPA filter, ensuring peak performance without manual maintenance. In the combo kit, there are 4 attachments for the stick vacuum, 2-in-1 dusting brush, crevice tool, zero-tangle floor brush with LED headlight, and extension hose. With these accessories, you can tackle areas that traditional robots often struggle with. By attaching the crevice tool or dusting brush, you can clean corners and crevices, such as the area behind my projection screen here, or the gap between the PC and the wall. If the area you need to clean is far from your reach, you can add the extension hose to the dusting brush. This allows you to reach curtains or deeper crevices. Additionally, I found this suction power to be very strong. As it claims, with 95 AW, it can easily handle large debris. However, if you have pets or children at home, you are likely to encounter situations like coffee spills on the floor or similar incidents. Typically, a broom would be used for cleaning, but the C12 Combo is a bit different from the common stick vacuums. It has a 340 ml large water tank inside. It works like a regular mop, but largely better in cleaning efficiency. It helps with tackling stubborn stains and wet waste. So cleaning experience is much better. Of course, there is another common type of waste that cannot be ignored, whether you are single, you got children or pets, and that is hair. Therefore, YEEDI has upgraded the already excellent Zero Tangle brush. The new Zero Tangle 2.0 showcases a significant breakthrough in preventing brush tangling. It features 45 V-shaped bristles that minimize hair entanglements by aligning with a rubber strip to prevent deep trapping. The 18 cm V-shaped roller brush creates a high-speed cyclone to guide hair to the center for efficient suction. Inside, the V-shaped comb teeth repeatedly pull hair towards the ends, ensuring it is effectively collected by the powerful 95 AW suction. The comb teeth are also removable for easy cleaning, preventing dirt buildup. If you don't clean it for a long time, dust clogging the vacuum cleaner can cause a decrease in suction power. But with this one, you won't have this problem. As mentioned earlier, after using it, you can just put the stick vacuum back into the dock and forget about it. Move on to the robot. We found that compared to the previous C12 Pro Plus, the Combo's robot has many similar features. Now let's dive into the differences. The suction power has been boosted to 10,000 PA, which makes it the most powerful one in the C12 series. This upgrade improves the ability of particles handling a lot. The bottom has newly added 4 bottom view sensors for recognizing various steps to prevent the robot from getting damaged while working. It also has added some off-road capabilities, allowing the robot to cross obstacles up to 20 mm in height. Well, this is the review of the C12 Combo, the world's first innovative product to seamlessly integrate a robot, vacuum cleaner, and mop. and it doesn't come with a higher price due to the highly integrated design. This machine offers a great value for money, and the cleaning results it delivers are unparalleled by our single robot or vacuum cleaner. It also saves space in your home, so if you're interested in this machine, please check the link down below. I'm Will from Gizmochina. See you next time.